Hey girls, so I've been trying to do a video for you guys just to kind of share a little bit about this cleanse and restore that we do. I've done it once, and for me the first time that I did it was mainly to do a full 30 days with using the supplements. So I got to feel the benefits of getting that energy from using the supplements, and just kind of more of a gut restoration for me. And in the past, I've done some different challenges, 30-day challenges with groups of people that have been really successful. And I wanted to just let you guys know that for whatever reason, when we tell ourselves that we're going to do something for weight loss, I think our minds tell us that it's not the right time, or that we're going to fail, or that we'll have a hard time committing to something, or that, I don't know, our minds just tell us crazy things. And I'm not talking about your mind, I'm talking about my mind. There's many times where I feel like if I say something out loud, I don't know why, it seems completely opposite, because once I share something with someone, it seems like I would want to make that commitment so that I wouldn't become a failure. But I do just the opposite. Once I say it out loud, and maybe it's just my life and my situation, there's something in my life that makes me do this, but I give up on myself. I give up and I give in, and I don't succeed. So I'm really hoping that with this cleanse and restore, that I can make a commitment with a group of people that will hold me accountable, because I know this has been an ongoing desire for me, and that's to feel good in my skin, to feel good for my family, to really, work on my health and wellness, because I'm 47 years old and I have 4 kiddos, and it's sad to say, but I just want to be around here to care for them. And the best way that we could do that is to have a healthy immune system, which we can do with our doTERRA products, and to learn about the things that we're putting in our bodies and how they affect us. So I want this to be more about just the educational part of how the supplements support us and our internal organs, and how important it is to do these cleanses, a gentle cleanse, at least 3 times a year. And so I want it to be more about the educational part. So I think for me, the first time I did this cleanse and restore was about using the doTERRA supplements, using the detoxification, those supplements. And now it is to get a little more serious, to bring a good healthy diet into it, and to bring in some exercise. So along this journey, I will have struggles, and I would love to be able to share those struggles with you guys. And I really wish that you guys would share some of your struggles with us, because we're all in this together. We girls need to come together and lock arms with things like this. There are some people that have no problem going to the gym 4 times or 7 times a week. It is something that their body thrives on and they love. But then there's some that would rather do housework than go to the gym. So I think it's good for us to communicate these things, and something you might tell me might help me with my mindset and the games that go on in my mind that tell me that I'm just going to live like this, and that this is as good as it gets. I don't believe that. And so we need your help. So we're going to try and share some good exercise ideas, so that for those who don't live in Minnesota, for those who live in Minnesota, there are things you could do inside. There's different workout plans that we'll share. and we'll share some ideas as far as food goes. And I think the biggest thing with food is to be prepared, to have a lot of veggies, stuff that you like to eat that you can turn to rather than grasping for those quick fixes that will keep our weight loss from happening and keep our cleanse from going well. So hope you join us. It's a journey of just unpacking too. Like, what are those roadblocks? And just taking one step at a time. Maybe this time for you is just starting the supplements. Maybe it's just starting to take a supplement that you're not used to taking. Some people don't take vitamins, and that's okay. But what I've learned over the years is that vitamins are vital. That's where we get most of our nutrients, because we just can't get enough of our nutrients from our food these days. Our food is really depleted by the time it gets to the grocery store. And even organic food, you would have to eat multiple amounts of organic food to fuel your body really the way we need to be fueled. So join us any way you can. Just take a step and trust yourself, and know that we all have our struggles, and we're here to help you.